Hi children, how are you? Today I'm going to explain exercise 4.3 of the chapter quadratic equations. See the first question. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist by the method of completing the square. But the method of completing the square is not there in the syllabus. So let us do it by formula. Do this one by formula. Second question is about the same question we have to do using formula. So let us check how to do it with formula. If they exist, so how we know if they exist? We have to find the discriminant. So by finding the discriminant, we have to decide they exist or not. Okay. So let us do it. So the first question is 2x squared plus 7x. 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So first we can find the discriminant of this equation. A is equal to 2, that is the coefficient of x square is 2. B is equal to minus 7, negative 7, that is the coefficient of x. And C is equal to the constant term is 3. Now find b squared minus 4ac. So let us find b square minus 4ac. That is b square means negative 7 the whole squared. So minus 7 square minus 4 into a is equal to 2 into c is 3. So that is 49 minus 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 3 is 24. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 3 is 24. So 49 minus 24, how much? It is 25. So we got a positive number. That means the roots exist here. Okay. Now, if the roots are exist, we have to find that by formula. So we are going to find it by formula. The quadratic formula, we can write x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac, b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a, all divided by 2a, that is equal to minus b. So minus, we have to put minus first. Okay. After that only you have to think about b. So b is what here? B is negative 7. So you have to put in bracket that negative 7. So minus of minus 7. Don't forget, always the children are making mistake here. Okay. So minus of minus 7 plus or minus root of this b square minus 4ac is how much? It is 25, all divided by 2 into a, that is 2 into a is equal to what? 2. So we got minus of minus 7 will be 7 plus or minus root of 25 is 5 divided by 2 into 2 is 4. Now we have to separate this one. So when we separate this one, what we get? It is 7 plus 5 divided by 4, or 7 minus 5 divided by 2 divided by 4. What is 7 plus 5? 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So 12 divided by 4, or 7 minus 5, that is 2 divided by 4. Now we can cut these two numbers. We can reduce this into simplest form. Then we will get 3 or 1 by 2. 3 or 1 by 2. So the values of x are 3 or 1 by 2. So we can write here x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2. So these are the solutions of this equation by formula. Using formula we found this one. Now let us move to the second question. Okay, so question number 2. What is question number 2? 2x squared. 2x squared plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x square, that is a is equal to 2, b is equal to the coefficient of x is 1, and the constant term is here minus 4. Now we have to find the discriminant, that is b squared minus 4ac. So b square means it is 1 squared minus 4 into a is 2 here into c is minus 4. Now 1 square is 1 minus. See here, we have here minus and here also we have minus. So minus into minus will be plus. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 4 is 32. So we got 1 plus 32 is how much? It is 33. So the discriminant b squared minus 4ac, we got it is 33 is a positive number. So the the roots exist. Now we can find that using the formula. So we can write the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac, b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a, that is equal to minus, put minus first, then b, what is b? It is 1. So 1 plus or minus root of, so root of 33, root 33 all divided by 2 into a. What is a? 2 into a. 2 into a is how much? A is equal to 2. So that is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 33. So you can write minus 1 plus or minus root 33 divided by 2 into 2 is 4. So the values of x are, x is equal to, you have to separate this one, that is minus 1 plus minus 1 plus root 33, because we don't know root 33, it will be in the decimal form. So anyway, it's an irrational number. So we will have here minus 1 plus root 33 divided by 4, or x is equal to minus 1 minus root 33 divided by 4. So these are the values of x. These are the roots of this one, because root 33 you can keep like that. Okay children. Okay, now let us do question number 3. What is the third question? Third question, 4x squared plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So we can write what is a. A is equal to coefficient of x square is 4. Then b, coefficient of x is 4 root 3, and c is equal to 3. Now we can find b squared minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac, that is 4 root 3 squared. 4 root 3 squared minus 4 into, what is a? A is 4 into c is equal to 3. Now this 4 root 3 square we can do like this. First 4 square ab square. See, ab the whole square will be a square b square. Ab the whole square will be what? A squared b square. So we can write here 4 square, that is equal to 16 into root 3 square will be 3. Root 3 square will be 3. So the root 3 square is equal to 3 minus 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 16 into 3. See, both numbers are same. Anyway, we will get 0. So 16 into 3 is equal to 48 minus 16 into 3 is also 48. So 48 minus 48 will be what? 0. So we got b square minus 4ac is equal to, b squared minus 4ac will be 0. Now we can apply in the formula. The formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac, b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a, that is equal to minus b. So minus b, what is b here? It is minus 4 root 3 plus or minus root 0. We know root 0 is 0. If b square minus 4ac is there, then the root will be x is equal to what? Actually x is equal to minus b by 2a, because b square minus 4ac is 0. So the answer will be minus b by 2a. Anyway, we are doing it. Minus 4 root 3 plus or minus root 0 divided by 2a. What is 2a? 2 into 4. A is equal to 4. So what will be the answer? It is minus 4 root 3 plus or minus root 0 is 0. So don't need to mind that side. So minus 4 root 3 divided by 8. Now here this 4 and 8 we can cut. This 4 and 8 you can cut. This 4 and 8 you can cut. Then you will get here 2. So the answer will be what? The answer will be x is equal to minus root 3 divided by 2. That means both values of x are same. That is x is equal to minus root 3 divided by 2, or again we can write x is equal to minus root 3 by 2, minus root 3 by 2. So the two values of x are same here. B square minus 4ac is 0. So here minus root 3 divided by 2 is the answer. So if you write x is equal to minus root 3 by 2, that's enough. Okay. Now let us do question number 4. Question number 4. 2x squared plus x plus 4 equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 4. We can find b squared minus 4ac, the discriminant. B squared minus 4ac is equal to b square, that is 1 squared minus 4 into a. What is a here? 2 into c. What is c here? 4. So that is equal to 1 minus 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 4 is 32. So 32. 1 minus 32. What is 1 minus 32? It is negative 31. Minus 31. See here we got a negative number. Then root of negative number we cannot find. So this here the roots does not exist. The root does not exist because negative number we got b square minus 4a. See that discriminant we got it as a negative number. So here real roots does not exist. So we can write the real root do not exist. Real roots do not exist. So real roots do not exist. If they exist, so here it doesn't exist. Now question number 3. Find the roots of the following equations. See the first question. The first question, x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x is equal to 3 and x not equal to 0. Okay, so here we have in the denominator we have x here. Maybe you can cross multiply here. You can cross multiply or multiply all the terms by x. The denominator is here x. So you can multiply all the terms by x, or by cross multiplying also you can do. So I am doing here. Here we can give divided by 1. See, x divided by 1 and minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Now we can cross multiply this. While cross multiplying this, we will get x into x, it is x squared minus 1 into 1 is 1, all divided by 1 into x is x is equal to 3. See, x into x will be x squared, 1 into 1 will be minus 1, that divided by 1 into x will be x. Now this x you can cross there, then you will get x squared minus 1 is equal to 3x. Now this 3x you have to transpose here, then you will get x squared minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. X squared minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now you can find the discriminant b square minus 4ac. So what is a? A is equal to 1. Coefficient of x square is 1. B is equal to negative 3. And c is equal to what? C is equal to negative 1. Now we can find b squared minus 4ac. So b squared minus 4ac we can find. So b square will be what? Minus 3, negative 3. So negative 3 squared minus 4 into a. What is a? A here 1 into c. What is c? C here minus 1. So that is minus 3 square will be 9. Minus into minus. That is minus 3 into minus 3 will be plus 9. Minus into minus. Here also minus into minus is there. 4 into 1 is 1. Sorry, 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 1 again 4. So you will get 9 plus 4. So that is equal to 13. So we got b square minus 4ac is a positive number. So we can find the roots. So the roots will be here. We can apply in the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac, b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Now substitute the values, that is minus b. What is b? It is minus 3. So minus of minus 3. Don't forget this one. Minus of minus 3 plus or minus b squared minus 4ac we got it is 13 all divided by 2a. 2 into a is 1. So you will get the answer. Minus of minus 3 will be plus 3 plus or minus root 13. Root 13 we don't know. So root 13 divided by what? Divided by 2. Now we can separate this. So x is equal to what? X is equal to 3 plus root 13. 3 plus root 13 divided by 2. Or 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 you can write x is equal to 3 minus root 13. 3 minus root 13 divided by 2. So these are the roots of this equation, solution of this quadratic equation. Now let us move to the second question. What is the second question? Second question, 1 divided by x plus 4. 1 divided by x plus 4 minus 1 divided by x minus 7. 1 divided by x minus 7 is equal to 11 divided by 30. 11 by 30. Cross multiply this. You will get x minus 7. You can cross this here. Then x minus 7. You can write x minus 7 here. Minus 1 into x plus 4 will be what? X plus 4. 1 into x plus 4 will be x plus 4. Put in bracket because here minus is there. Always you have to be very careful about minus. So minus, after minus you have to put bracket. All divided by x plus 4 into x plus 4 into x minus 7. These two you have to multiply is equal to 11 divided by 30. Right side we can keep the same. Now open the brackets. We will get here x minus 7 minus x minus 4 all divided by, open this bracket, you will get x into x. This is multiplication, here it is subtraction. So here x into x will be what? X into x will be x squared. X into x will be x squared. X into minus 7 will be minus 7x. Minus 7x. 4 into x plus 4 into x will be what? Plus 4x. Plus 4x. Now plus 4 into minus 7 will be minus 4 into 7, 28. Minus 28 equal to 11 divided by 30. Now see here, this x and minus x getting cancelled. See this plus x and this minus x getting cancelled. Then you will get minus 4 minus 7. Minus 4 minus 7 is minus 11 divided by you can rewrite this as x squared. See here, minus 7x plus 4x, minus 7 plus 4. While adding these two, you will get minus 3x. Minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 11 divided by 30. Now you can cut these both 11s because both are in the numerator. See, when you transpose this 11 to here, it will be 30 into 11. So here, from here itself, you can cancel this 11 and this 11 you can cancel. Here you will get 1 and here also 1 will be there. So what will be the answer? It will be minus 1 divided by x squared minus 3x, x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 1 divided by 30. Now you can cross this 30 here. So you will get minus 30 is equal to minus 30 is equal to this, you can cross here. So you will get x square minus 3x minus 28. Now we have to rearrange this in the quadratic form. So that is x squared minus 3x minus 28, and this minus 30 you have to bring this side, so it will be plus 30 equal to 0. So that is x squared minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So here no need to use formula, directly we can do using the using the method of factorization. Product of two numbers is 2 and sum of two numbers is minus 3. So the numbers will be minus 1 and minus 2. You can check minus 1 and minus 2. When you multiply, you will get plus 2. When you add this, you will get minus 3. So directly we can write the answer x minus 1 into, because the question is solved. They didn't tell by this method or by formula or something. So we can apply this factorization. So x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. That is x minus 1. So from here we can say x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. From this we will get x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2. So these are the solutions of this quadratic equation.